Dang Gonzo, it's Base Friday. Just sold that one. Still got to put the epoxy on, but that's the full-size quad stack. And then this was a removable top dual one. That's what he needs, is a 2 ohm load with the old Mac coil. But you know, it fits. It's great when audio is modular. So, but what was it? These are the first 2 dumpers. Just got to put the top plates on them. They'll be good to go. They're already engraved on the back. I got some stuff back from the metal shop. Oh, I got hardware too. So really nice top plate on that. I got what's called surface ground. Those are very nice. I'll be able to turn these into some beefy 10s without any problems, the way that fucking Orion made them. So, and then we did a mod to the this is the 7500 MTX. So we took that lip off so we can put a real gasket on it. Same with that one. And then this one I took in to get this standard mods on it, and then come to find out the frame was cracked. But luckily he ended up getting it welded for me, and then I'll just grind that flat. And then we can put the regular gaskets on it. So, and I think I have a pair of these if anybody wants me to build them, like, you know, a pair of 4x4 12s or something like that. So, and then Mr. Span's thing is ready. I think I was supposed to go to the hardware store and get the all thread or whatever I'm going to use. We're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I guess 12, yeah, 12 fucking 400 watt Neo motors for that shit. And then I already showed you that. And then Danny stepped up, sent me some cash. He's like, here, little buddy, let me jizz on you. I was like, thanks, little buddy. And so then I'm gonna go, this is the 6 slug. He's already got 2 of them. So now he's gonna have 3. And then, what was it? I think that was about it. It's been fucking hot. So, but that's what you get for living in Arizona. And it scares all the snowbirds away. Oh, I should have got that shipment. Well, hopefully I'll get the shipment tomorrow from Florida Base. Sorry, I'm not home right now, walking into spider webs. This, I decided to put the triple stack prototype. I'm only gonna make one, so this is a good onesie, one off. Got the SP4 in. That's a cute motor design. It's a really great way to save steel. And then this, what is this? The DC audio. Just gotta put the cone on that one. These are some little Hulk slims. It's the 3-inch motor from the 15s that we got from Majestic. And then I'll put the reverse surround. These are the last 2 cones I got. The reverse surround. So these will be good for somebody that needs 2 of these underneath the back seat of a pickup truck or something. So, oh, and then LMS Ultra motor. These were originally drilled out for 1/4 inch by Tilo. The drill out for 1/4 inch tapping. Unfortunately, somebody decided to tap with an M6, and so I was like, these should be 1/4 inch. The thread's not going, so then I put an M6 in there, and it went in real easy. But then it was a little too easy, and then it started slipping, and then it stripped it. So then what you do is basically you got to open up to the next size, which I'm going to go to an M8, and then I got to tap these out by hand over the weekend because it is magnetic. So, and the machines don't like when it's magnetic. They freak out. They go, why is magic pulling me? And they go, okay, here you go. So we got to do it by hand. Probably knock out Scotty Owens, all his speakers this weekend. And then mostly just getting caught up. So, but me and the Gooby are gonna go on a ride, and I'll record that to see if there's anything interesting happening. So, but I love you guys. Have a safe and happy holiday. My Bud, I miss him so much. I miss him every day. My baby boy. I think the only video I could find of Bud was one that I took and put on Instagram, and then I later pulled down, but Mostly just because I pulled down all personal stuff on Facebook and Instagram because I fucking hate Mark Zuckerberg. But I mean, he's such a dick with his policies. I really like Google's policies. Like if somebody goes, fucking ape shit on me in there, they're like, you said this, blah, blah, blah. And, like Google or YouTube will censor them. I'm like, that's fantastic. And the other way that they handle it is you can just, you don't remove them from the channel. Like they can still watch, right? You don't block them, which is, really in the end is rude. What they do is they just mute them. So they just say, your comments will not be seen on here. So if it's a spammer or just somebody that's a stalker, which, I get 1 in every 100 is a stalker, and then 1 in every 1,000 is a psycho. And that's where, they start like fucking, texting my wife and talking her up and trying to get information out of her and bullshit like that. So, but anyways, we're going to go on a ride. It's fucking hot and we want to enjoy the clouds. So I love you guys. Talk to you later.